You're not going to make it. Anyway, now, good evening and welcome on Sunday Night Show for today. Gantios Day night today. Be my name is Nedu _ of me, Katim and IzyBeatz. Don't sit down inside studio. When I like Katim hairstyle. What do they call this one?
I don't know.
Mohawk.
It's going back to my
Revised
roots.
Standard Edition. No, this is the King James version of Mohawk.
Going back to my roots.
Anyway, for today's show, we get guests for today's show. But before the guests come to today's show, the guest of the show now, Oniru 16. 16 Oniru 16.
Now address 16
if you
Oniru
where
Street.
in where them born am.
Oh.
Now where them born am.
Oniru
Street, number 16.
Oniru Street.
So now there them born am.
Now where if Oniru Street is in your area, now there
them born anywhere where you dey. If you dey Lagos or you know the Lagos, anywhere part of the world where you dey. If your street now 16 Oniru, now there them born the guest of today.
Yes.
So they don't know the name. When they go give am?
They don't look am.
Come look am, climb up man. You look up.
And maybe coincidentally, income be the 16th child.
Thank you.
So yeah, you do.
Thank you. Coincidentally, income be 16th child of the person where born am. They can say, 16 Oniru, number Oniru 16. Because somebody, I sure say somebody that day they make phone call. Who is this? Oniru, yes. 16 Oniru. The mother
the
mother can say, say that thing again. Say it again. 16 Oniru.
You say, Daddy.
Don't like it. Say it again. Say it again.
16 Oniru.
Baba. Kini? 16 Oniru.
Yes. Say, 16 Oniru.
Now, for us to start today, this one happened for inside of Botoibo. I just talk and this evening on top radio. I go talk and hear again, Katim. Please, if you're a man out there, listen attentively. Agbef. I trust you. You know they say no. Jeff, I trust you. Know this. Joel for Benin. All of you now, I trust the men on this show. Say no, not the forehand. One woman, 51 years old.
Yes.
For night, when she and her husband they sleep, then she tap the husband and say, honey, please, come and recharge. And the guy say,
time is 9.
In tire, in no go fit.
Oyibo
woman. Now the guy leave and the guy not talk. No, she leave the guy not. Later I can't tap the guy. Have fun now. Can't do this thing now.
Oh, don't you hear I was tired?
Okay. Third time. Before they break, because he get how you go do. They go break. The man me make her talk that day break on. I get one gist about that day break.
Okay.
Not me. The man can say, I tell you, sir, I don't tire. So the woman can stand up. As I take play for my head now, they tell you so.
Before daybreak,
can stand up. When she don't go peace, the man can stand up from bed, can't turn back. So at the play, must take happen for my head.
Okay.
So now she can't enter the room back. Can't call the man, honey. As the man they turn like this, hey! Uppercut, Now police can't carry the woman. So please, men there, don't allow the devil to use you.
No.
Anytime when your wife tell you, say,
yes,
honey, let us do. If they hear voice when they say, no, say you don't tire. Please reject it. That is the devil.
You say no. You say what? Say no, not you. No.
Be submissive to your wife. Yes.
Don't be a scapegoat.
Don't be a scapegoat as this man. Anytime your wife will say, can I hear things? Please.
Just get up quite silently. And to even make matters worse, don't even wait for her to say.
Don't even wait. Sometimes, even if you tire, no, just enter, no move.
So just maybe roll over.
Just roll over.
That is it.
But just do something. Please. Because this man now, they're hospital.
with
he beat him.
Easy.
Something where police arrest the woman. Check it.
I surprised the woman no bite him.
He did blog. Check him.
I suppose the woman no bite him.
He beat it to yeah, how could you even think I could pan? You know that before.
He put that with it in her hand.
You know that before morning on. For another time. At the end, I don't know who
this kind of film. If I be short film.
I don't know who get the gist.
Before dawn.
Before dawn.
Before dawn. Now one room now they stay. Then get 6 children.
Jeez.
Not being
6 children. So how did
when they want do
minister?
When the man don't know, say the children don't sleep, he go come blow whistle.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
So she be knocking
the woman from the subconscious, from the dreamland.
Got Italian.
She go she go run, come back to her body, then go minister. So one night there has been famine for the woman. There has been famine when it comes to
how many years?
My brother, I don't know. Yeah. But I know say
there was acute
famine.
Yes.
The thing hold the woman. Not being around the children don't come sleep. The man tired. Around 12.
For night.
I do man tell her, Mpankechi. You whistle. Wait now. You whistle. And the man say, no, now I know whistle. Leave me, man. Catch it up, man. Man can sleep. Around 2 a.m. The woman can't tap again. The woman not fit sleep. You know, when that cat thing hold you.
Yes. It be like virus.
It be like virus.
Yes.
You don't go sleep.
No.
You go try sleep. But lo and behold,
sleep eluded you.
Sleep will elude you.
Yes.
It be like Shakespeare.
Yes.
Oh sleep.
Where art thou?
Where art thou? Then 2 a.m. The woman can't tap the guy. Mpankechi, you whistle. And the man say, I know whistle. The woman can't check him. 3 o'clock don't they knock. She can't tap him again.
Before dawn.
Hashtag before dawn.
Yes.
He can't tap him again. Mpankechi, you whistle. And the man say, I know whistle now. This woman, leave me alone. The woman don't check him. 4 o'clock don't they knock.
Children go soon wake.
And when they wake, nothing again.
So this is crunch time. The darkest hour before the dawn.
Hashtag before the dawn.
Yes.
That's why he just tapped the man. Mpankechi.
Be like mosquito when they want the man.
Mpankechi, you whistle. And the man say, oh, no, I did not whistle. You know when that thing they hold some people, straight from nowhere, they'll come. Oh, man, I saw the woman turn the man. Come, I hear you whistle. Come on. For inside Obodo Yibo, for El Salvador, okay. Their government don't yarn give their woman. Say make nothing make them. Yeah, no matter how you do.
No matter how.
No matter how you white preach, not get belly till 2018.
I don't know why they promised them something for that. That kind of for it happened for this matter, so. No, really, that thing for it happened.
But wait, what did concern the president of El Salvador?
2018.
Maybe
2 years.
2 years, made them not get belly.
Nedu na population control. Don't blame the man.
Okay, you know, it get one virus where they ground. It make children head small. I don't forget the name of that virus. Now new virus.
So if they
make children
now,
head small.
So now if they born begin for El Salvador now.
The begin head go small. So
why the virus will come from where?
I don't know. Maybe breeze when they blow around.
I don't know.
I don't know.
Not the weather.
Maybe the women they wear skirt too much. So the weather, maybe they wear trouser. Breeze not going to blow too much like that. Now, but now the weather. So the thing they fire up and down. The thing, oh man.
Which kind of virus is that?
You understand? Because they make because of that disease, the virus. Google them, you go say El Salvador. If that's what you talk. Google them, El Salvador government. Maybe people not get better. You go see them. They say they not get better till 2018. Now I don't think. So what in the men go they do fire now? What would they be doing?
No, then go still minister, but I don't know. Maybe minister with caution. Caution. You know that thing where they put for
caution sign.
You go there for window.
For road.
Yes, that caution sign go there window of every house now. Wipe with caution.
Look, don't leap.
Yes, wipe with caution. Then go wipe, but I just don't know.
So, you see, you don't get any house. Somebody must get belly.
2 years.
2 years when nobody get belly for the whole country. Nobody go carry Amugwa. Nobody go Amugwa. No now. For what? Nobody go Amugwa for 2 years. No, that's wrong. That's wrong.
Which kind of virus is that?
Virus be that? How the virus concern wiping?
Nedu, so you dey talk say
so
this kind of thing.
Monitor them.
My brother, that virus not go work for Nigeria.
If president say See, for now, we have health concerns and we don't need to procreate because we are trying to population control.
Shebi, Ebola, he do himself conquer Nigeria here. Nigeria show him. Ebola, now he respect himself. Carry Ghana must go wrong, come out. Last time people now don't come. They don't say we could not drink Gary. Ha! The one was sitting there, they don't drink with cold water.
Gary, where you don't get, Gary, where you don't get for house already.
They say no. They say don't drink Gary with cold water. Say last time, my brother. But see, I talk something. You know, say, the way people take the buy rat poison now. The way people take the buy rat poison now.
Yes, you talk that.
Patoranking for still blow.
If we don't blow.
I didn't see the rat poison. Patoranking for still blow.
Maybe get shop for rat poison. No?
I did Patoranking see the rat poison. The way last time I take the Patoranking for still blow. I did being wait.
What if be the name of your shop?
I'm blackface now.
Patoranking rat killer.
Pato extinguisher.
No, Pato's rat extinguisher.
Pato rat extinguisher. Then blackface now, blackface. Because people, you say people they thief your song now. You say whiskey thief from you. Yes, a whiskey don't give another guy belle.
Yes, I hear that thing. You see, say whiskey need to go to El Salvador.
Whiskey need to go to El Salvador.
Yes.
Whiskey don't give another guy belle. The guy don't born. And the guy
she born.
He don't born. The begin name now whiskey name. Allegedly. Now what we hear?
You don't say they like to put that English. Allegedly.
But Ayadeji Balogun something junior.
Who no good no. And
who
no.
My brother, we know the gist.
But allegedly.
This go give you information now. You know when the guy, when Whiskey they pay flight for the guy from America, made the guy come here now. What are you not talking about? Whiskey is an upcoming Two-Face.
Yes, Abantro.
But you know, say
like
talk
that.
Two-Face. Nobody talk nice. Nice, don't wipe, get plenty children, like 5 children. No.
And nobody know. Why is it that only Two-Face old people they
why
remember?
Two-Face old?
Even if you don't wipe one, everybody just
Two-Face. The video just
one no.
The video do only one.
Yeah,
people they complain.
Yes.
Eh? Whiskey now don't get two from. But the babe, Whiskey babe, now my friend though. Eh?
No, she go be mother of all. Mother Teresa. Just like, you know, my sister, and you can, Macaulay.
Anyway,
it go be, they go call Two-Face, madam, mommy.
Mommy.
Big mommy.
Big mommy.
Big mommy.
Anyway, for the next one and the last one, one man for Lagos here.
After I'm going to say, I'm so sorry for this man. Yours give him, I don't have change. Making yours keep the 500 naira.
300,000 naira. This man, they make him every month because of say he they beg. How the man take the beg? With prescription. You know when they say they go hospital, they will write medicine for you.
Say, help me, please.
The one when people don't throw away, the man will go carry him, go road.
Help me,
say a prescription where they give up for hospital.
I want to buy my medicine.
Can you imagine?
You know, if I don't buy this medicine, it's a terminal something. Help me. No, money is too small. How much is the prescription?
God bless you, brother.
3,500. I take 500.
Now so they go give the man. They say every week they make. He say he not make money at least 10,000 every week. In a month the man make 300,000. My brother, people where they work, they know they earn half of that money. So people know they earn half of that money.
No.
But the man they make 300,000 every month. Katim, you sure say we beg? We go before we come show. We go beg.
How we go do them now? What we go wear? Where they no go know us too much?
They not go know us.
Okay. No, which side of Lagos self where we go?
If we do, people waiting for Lekki, they farm. Mo go
Ojota,
then go beat us.
Ojota, why?
Then go beat us.
So we will go where? Magodo.
Okay.
Magodo they boring no.
Magodo they boring. But now where we go
boring
do this
now.
thing
Those kind of people they beat
then
somebody now.
Go Obalende.
No, they go beat us, but they go stone us.
No go Mobolaji Bank Anthony way for
Ikeya.
Now they the man they make am. Saying easy what we go to do be say.
No, but the man go beat us now. Say we won't come collect market.
Okay, now true.
We go under bridge.
No, go. See nothing happen.
You
know say no satisfy for the good thing and nothing with it. Nothing happen. We go start from Lekki.
Every position they do more than
No.
No, what if we go do be waiting? ECB, please don't distract us.
You know what's happen? More do one like this. We go start from Lekki. We go stay for Lekki. That run out of Lekki.
Or that Ikoyi bridge.
Thank you for toll gate. Because those who they pay Ikoyi toll gate, they know they worry too much. They what is it? Don't take.
You just stand by that toll gate window.
Then easy. We go carry open mineral. That cover of mineral. We go put hole. We go get like 10. Put hole for cover of mineral. Can't tie rope on top. Can't tie for our leg. We go they sing. Then sing. Which song we go they sing? We go they match leg. Easy people then go they match leg. So which song? More from song we go they sing. Like when I song. They make sense.
Help us because we going to clap.
Easy, we could give us beat.
We going to clap.
Then you go sing. Then you ain't don't sing finish. I'll come say, we don't usually do this. It's not our nature to do this.
God knows.
God knows.
Say this so.
But it is the situation that we have found ourselves inside.
Then when you say situation we found ourselves, so then my cue to begin cry.
To begin cry,
Yes.
you can't cry.
Then easy we go tell me sorry.
Sorry, then people come begin give us some money.
Yes.
But before we go break, bring our guests. I beg. You get one video or one play. The guy name na Quality. I beg. I beg. If you know this guy and his family members, I beg. If you know this guy and his family members,
beg, we dey beg
help
you.
us beg him. See, we don't need them.
Yes.
Help us beg him. Make no, don't sing again.
It's serious.
Make it not sing. Easy, please need them.
It's serious.
This has to, people need. Please.
It's serious.
Not sing again for your life.
Yes.
Not sing.
It's very serious.
Please, we beg you.
Please.
Don't sing again.
In the name of God.
I beg. Not sing.
Don't sing again.
If you hear music, run.
Please.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.